What do you want? Hurry up and order.
Oh, the loaded potato grillers.
We want loaded potato grillers.
How many?
2, please.
Okay.
Is that it?
So that's it.
What else you want?
And 2 waters.
2 waters? What? What?
Thank you for serving me.
What was the last 2 things you ordered?
Order Dr. Peppers. 2 Dr.
Two
Peppers.
Dr. Pepper.
What size?
Small.
2 small Dr. Peppers? And that was all for you?
Yes.
Okay, so everything I see is correct. 2547, please go forward.
Okay.